Kate here at WTI. Now, if you love a sauna as much as I do, you know that great accessories just add to the experience. My husband recently built a sauna on our property, and this gorgeous sauna bucket from Northwood Sauna has been the perfect addition. Now, it's made of Canadian red cedar, so you know right away that it smells awesome, and it also is really beautifully crafted. The wood is so nicely joined together, it's smooth, it has a plastic liner which is great for holding the water. And then the ladle, it's huge and chunky, and I just love the look of the whole thing. It has a really nice natural rope as well. It's seriously just beautifully crafted. This one holds a gallon of water, or 4 liters. We use it all the time, and we've had friends come for a sauna and they always compliment this bucket as well. So if you're looking for a sauna bucket that's made of real cedar, that's gonna complement your sauna so well, I absolutely recommend this company. I think the craftsmanship is excellent, and that's my point of view.